Now, does Wealthy Affiliate teach local SEO? So first of all, what exactly is local SEO? So if you do a quick Google search, you'll see that local SEO is a search engine optimization strategy that helps your business be more visible in local search results on Google. So any business that has a physical location or serves a geographic area can benefit from local SEO. For example, you might have a barber shop and you want to get more traffic when people search for barbers in your area, or maybe you have like a restaurant or something and you want people to be able to find it quickly on Google and you want to rank highly so they actually see a restaurant when they search for, restaurants near me or something. So that is local SEO, and Wealthy Affiliate definitely teaches you how to do this. If you go to their dashboard and you search local SEO, you can see tons and tons of content popping up, all these video blogs. A lot of them are recent and really new. This one was released in March 2024. This one was also released just a few weeks ago. So yeah, there's tons and tons of content teaching you how to do local SEO to get your content ranked and to level up your business. So I hope that answers your question. If you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate, they have a completely free plan that you can sign up to using the link in the description. There's no credit card required to sign up. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are expert classes on Wealthy Affiliate and what's included, how does it work? So click this video showing up on your screen and I'll tell you all about it.